are you, sweetie? Oh, what noise is that? Sid, where's my baby? Somebody cutting the tree. Where's my baby? Hey, somebody cutting the tree, sweetie. Yeah, are you okay? Yeah? Yeah, you've been waiting for mommy to go outside. Yeah, are you? Been waiting for mommy. Okay, you're gonna do your exercise now. You're gonna show off to mommy now. Come on. Yeah, what are you doing now? Do your exercise. Come on. Come on. Yeah, what happened? What are you crying about? Right? Yeah, I don't know either, sweetie. I don't know that noise. I think they're cutting the tree.